Hey everybody, this is Diane with Craftin' with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. Well, I'm super excited. I am here with an unboxing for Panda Haul Selected. I will leave all these links to these awesome products down below. Please go check them out and let me show you what they sent me. Super excited. The first thing that I have are this several different kinds of sea beads. And let me open this up. I should have had this open. And they're in this very nice container here. And there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 awesome colors. There's a pink, a real pretty green, blue, a clear blue, and then here is like a metallic, like different colors, a copper. Oh wait, excuse me, there's more than 12 because there's some on the bottom too. Look at these. Oh my goodness. We are going to have some fun with these sea beads. So there's all colors, any color that you would want. Look at all that. And these really pretty shiny ones. Gorgeous. Ooh, love this and love the way that it's stored. Love it, love it. All right. And you're wondering, well, what's she going to do with those sea beads? Well, this is a glass vial pendant kit. And I thought that it would be perfect to use these sea beads for. And let's see here. Everything is packaged so very nicely. You get the top of the vials, those little caps right here. And then I bet the glass vials are in here. And they are, and they look like beautiful diamonds. Look at these. Ooh, look how beautiful those are. Aren't those gorgeous? So we will be making some of those together. So there's the glass vials, and there is the sea beads. And this is the chain, the twisted curb chain jewelry making set. And look at this. It comes with lobster claw clasps, some jump rings, and there's two of these beautiful chains. You know how I love my chains, guys. Love to craft with those. Aren't those perfect? So this is going to be the twisted curb chain jewelry making kit. And then I've also got some of the stainless steel lobster claw and clasp kit that I can use. Everything is packaged so nicely. So nicely. So let's get this off here. So look at this. Look how perfect this is. I love that stainless steel color. So that's a lobster clasp with the matching jump rings. And then I got a couple of sets of dies. And this die set is called the Thanksgiving and Blessing Word dies. Hold on, I'm going to turn the heat off. Ooh, got warm in here. And there's several different words in here. There's happy, anniversary, thanks, you name it. There is all kinds of words. Look at this. Hello, fall, sweet, blessed, best, cheers, kisses with, for, luck, all kinds of words. Love, of, celebrate. So this is a very nice die set and a really nice size too. So this is the Thanksgiving Blessing Word Die Set. And since Easter is coming up not too long from now, this die set is the Easter theme dies. And I want you to look. That's more Christmas with Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus. And look at this little Easter bunny. Isn't that cute? And then here's an Easter egg with the cross in the middle. And then here's an Easter bunny with the flowers and stuff. These are really good size. This one here is 3.5 by 2 7/8. The one with the cross is almost 2 7/8 by 2 1/8. Then the Easter bunny with the tree, look how cute, is 2 1/8 by 3 3/4. And Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus is right at, let's see, 3.5 by right at 2.5. So those are some good size cards if you wanted to make some little 4x4 cards or 3x3 cards. So thank you to Panda Hall Selected for sending me these fun products. Look, stay on the lookout, guys, for some upcoming projects with these fabulous items. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.